Tenses in English: past, yesterday; present, today; future, tomorrow. Welcome to my channel. My name's Leila. I am an English language learner. I will be happy to share my knowledge with you. What present simple? We use the present simple to talk about things in general. Example: I speak English usually. He plays football on Friday. Formal present simple: subject, plus, verb, plus, and. Example: I plus walk. I walk. I walk every day. I plus verb. I plus speak. Speak is verb. He plays. He, subject, plays, verb. Present simple has signs. For the simple present, these are adverbs of frequency. Signs present simple are always, often, usually, sometimes, seldom, never, and every day, every week, every year, on Monday, after school. Third person singular: she, he, it. When do we add s or es to the end of the verbs? S or es. Es. The es suffix is used when the verb ends in the letters ss, sh, ch, x, or z. Example: wash and wash, sh, washes; teach and teach, ch, teaches; dress and dress, ss, dresses; miss and miss, ss, misses. Next, fix and fix, x, fixes; she fixes, he fixes, it fixes; she washes, he washes, it washes. Present simple to use daily and routine. Example: I speak English every day. You speak English every week. They speak English every day. She speaks English every week. He speaks English every week. Every week is sign present simple. Present simple to use repeated action. Action every day, every month, every morning, every night. Example: I wash my hands every day. He drinks coffee every morning. Present simple in facts. 1. I have one brother. He lives in Paris. Or number 2, water boils at 100 degrees. Present simple to use with stative verbs. Example: give me the money, I need it now. Next example: what happened? You look sad. Question present simple. Question with do and does. Example, I speak English. Do you speak English? He speaks English. Does he speak English? Negative. To use do not and does not. Don't and doesn't. Example, do you speak English? No, I don't. No, I do not. Next example, does she speak English? No, she doesn't. No, she does not. We use do and does with question word like where, what, and when. Example, where do Anna and Diana live? What does Anna do? When does Ricky usually wake up? Question with who. The question with who we don't use do and does. Do and does remove. Example, who lives in Los Angeles? Who plays football at the weekend? Who works at the Bank of London? When the third person singular verb ends with y, the y is removed and ies is added to the end of the verb instead. Example, cry. Y is removed and ies is added. Cry, cries, try, try.